Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Insomnia REST Client on macOS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Insomnia REST Client on macOS, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Insomnia website by entering the URL insomnia.rest. Once the page loads, look for the download button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the download button. Your browser will begin downloading the Insomnia application. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Locate the Insomnia installation file, which should be a .dmg file. Double-click the .dmg file to open it. A new window will appear featuring the Insomnia app icon. Drag the Insomnia app icon into your Applications folder. This action will copy the application to your Applications directory. After the copy is finished, close the window and eject the Insomnia disk image. Now, navigate to your Applications folder. Find the Insomnia app icon in the folder. Double-click the Insomnia icon to launch the application. If prompted with a security warning, click Open to continue. Insomnia will take a moment to initialize and then display its main interface. You can now start using Insomnia REST Client to test APIs. Follow any on-screen instructions or set up a new workspace as needed. Explore the features and functionalities to make the most of Insomnia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.